All right, y'all. Rick's Around the Morning Show. 8 at time right now is 15 before the top of the hour, y'all. Brett Maria's special case. We got a special guest on the phone this morning. Y'all give it up for the one and only Miss Jannie. Miss Jannie, what up?
Oh, I'm cooking.
What? All right, Miss Jannie, everybody all over the country been asking me. People in St. Louis. I was in St. Louis and Houston, and everybody was asking me, I wonder what Miss Jannie gonna cook on Thanksgiving. And I know you cooking because we in business together. So how long you been cooking and what you cooking?
I've been cooking for about 2 weeks.
What you got?
Okay, I have cornbread muffins.
Uh-huh.
I have ham, turkey, and dressing, collard greens, turnip greens, potato salad, macaroni and cheese, red velvet cake, pound cake. I fixed 10 lemon icebox pies and $10 million pies. And I got tea, my own homemade tea.
Which is actually good.
Huh?
Which is actually good. Turn your radio down, Miss Jannie, in the background. But go ahead, finish telling them.
Oh, I'm at the door. I mean, I'm in the kitchen now.
Oh yeah, because you got 5 radios. Rickey Smiley the Morning Show playing in your house. We already know.
I sure do. What about it?
Now, Miss Jannie,
that's right.
I got Miss Jannie. Now we went and bought those collard greens from that man.
Yeah.
So when I cooked the greens, Miss Jannie, are you sure those are not turnip greens?
Them was not no turnip greens. I don't know where y'all get that from. Them was collard greens.
Miss Jannie, we tasting the greens, but they taste like turnip greens.
They are not turnip greens. They collards.
Are you sure?
I want you to see the turnip greens. The difference in them.
Now, how many bags of greens I bought from the man?
You bought 20 bunches of collard greens.
Oh, Lord.
He did, and I had to wash them and cut them up for him.
Yeah, I pay.
Miss Jannie.
Hey, you know, I looked out for her. So Miss Jannie washed the greens and cut them up. Why you ain't cut me up some onions and so? Don't you supposed to be making me some cornbread muffins?
Yeah, I'm making them this morning.
Okay. All right, Miss Jannie, so you got all them lemons. So you cooking them pies and stuff for other people?
No, the man for everybody that come to my house to eat. And certain ones, I give them a whole pie to take home.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, Miss Jannie, we just wanted to let you, because everybody wanted to know what you was cooking for Thanksgiving. But those are baby collard greens that I got then, right?
Yeah. Because they were slow coming up.
Uh-huh. That's what it was.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. All right, Miss Jannie, we love you. Y'all get up and show your love for Miss Jannie. All right, Miss Jannie, I'll call you later.
Okay.
All right.